Good morning, everyone. Are you missing your school? Okay, I've got a surprise for you. I'm going to take you around your school, show you different places. So let's take a trip to our school. Let's enter the front gate of our school. We can see the name of our school on the board above. Now, when we enter, the first thing that we see are the lush green lawns in front of the senior school building. There's a board which gives us the directions to go to different places. And here is the most attractive thing. Yes, the aeroplane elevated on the pole above. This aeroplane is called Ajit and it was used in war. Moving on, this is the bus parking area where our school buses are parked. And this is the herbal garden which has a small fountain. Beautiful flowers in the pots. We can see the principal's bungalow beside it. Many kinds of herbs are grown here. Now I will take you to the inside of our senior school foyer. We are going to enter the foyer and see the wall of fame and even the motto of our school, which says, "So to achieve." Moving further, here is the senior school stage or the main stage of the school and the mini stadium that you can see with the track all around. Two basketball courts are there and we can see the junior school building and art and science complex. This is the place we have our annual functions like sports day, annual day. Now I'm going to take you to the art and science complex. The most loved place in that is the canteen. I'm walking on the track. This is the spiral staircase which leads to canteen. This is the canteen gate, and when we go inside we can see a lot of drawings and pictures on the bulletin board. The tables are there. You can see the tables where people sit and eat. There's a counter and I can see Kuti Bhaiya also inside the canteen. Now I'm taking you to the sick bay where the children go and rest or are attended by the doctor and the nurse. Next to that is the shopping area which also has the bank. The Bank of Baroda operates in our school, and beside which we have the book and uniform shop. This is another part of the senior school building, beside which we have the tennis court. Yes, we have coaching of various sports in our school. This is a multifunction hall where we have a lot of functions and including the badminton coaching. I can show you the multifunction hall again next to the tennis court. On the side of the tennis court we have an open gym along with cricket nets. I'll give you a closer view of it. Let's go inside this boundary. Yes, this is the open gym and the cricket nets for cricket coaching. There are the nets you can see. Now I will take you to the art and science complex. This is the art and science complex where we have art labs, art rooms, science labs, dance labs, library and so on. I'll take you to the ground floor of this art room. You can see penguins made by the sculptures department. There's another piece of art you can see here. We can see the gate of our junior school art room. This is the senior school art room. Beautifully made and beautifully decorated walls. Let's go to the junior school now. The building is closed. This is the foyer of our junior school. On the ground floor we have KG and 1 classes. First floor we have 2 and 3, and on second floor we have 4 and 5 classes. This is the PT department's cabin. And now I'm going to take you to the KG area. A very interesting place loved by the junior school children. Yes, this is the area where we have floor games, pictures on the walls. There's a badminton net being put up. You can see the modes of transport. We have map of India. And animals from A to Z. And this is the nicest place, I think, for the kids. Yes, the swings area. So colorful and bright. You must be wanting to go here now. Then we have stories on the walls of the KG section. So colorful, reminds you of the cartoon characters that you have been reading and watching. How nice and beautiful. Yes, this is the junior school assembly area. We can see the stage, the basketball court here. And this is the playhouse for our little kindergarten children. This is the skating rink, beyond which we have football ground. This is the closer view of the football ground, where we have the free play time. This is the girls' hostel in the staff quarters. And now I'm going to take you out from the back gate. This is the gate number 3. We also call it back gate. Hope you enjoyed this trip to your school. Now you're going to write about your school in your English copy. Thank you.